Specifically po ito for the use lang, okay? Ibig sabihin use. Hindi mo siya traffic, hindi mo siya. So if ikaw pa ang nag-traffic, good luck. So these are some of the cases, no? Jail time for pimp, Japanese man, cyber porn. So, what is the confidentiality rule? Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang pangalan sa mga cases na to is AAA versus ganito. BBB, CCC. Kasi may confidentiality rule. It is the right to privacy of the traffic person. Okay? So, dati, under RA 9208, the offender used to be covered under this rule. So, since the amendment, dapat naka-display na. Okay, what does the rule cover? At any stage, including yung rescue, hindi din pwedeng i-post ninyo etong si ano na traffic, etong si ano.